Greetings from Fjäderholmarna, a new island unlocked for me, and I have only 45 minutes to explore this small island, and I think it will be enough. So follow me as we walk along the island of Fjäderholmarna. Now it will take quite less time to explore it, so let's first take a walk along the whole island. And I can see actually there is a beach as well. I was planning to take a swim on the rocks on the other side, but yeah. Fjäderholmarna belongs to Lidingö municipality. As we can see Lidingö on that end as well. I can see Schiphol about it. And I have been living now in Stockholm for 10.5 years and I have never come here. Maybe because it was not free to visit this place, as otherwise I think it's 150 crowns to come here. But then yeah, I don't know, I just felt like there will be opportunity like this one, that someday I can visit this island for free. It's not a spectacular island, but there are nice restaurants if you're into that type of gastronomy. And there is a beach actually. On the map there is no beach, but here I will take a swim later, even though I'm in a rush. But yeah, the downside of the free trip is that there are only very few routes to and from Stockholm. So there is now one back. So I have arrived, I took the ferry at 8:45 and now it's 9:10 and there is one ferry back at 9:55, so that's like only 45 minutes. There is one ferry later in the afternoon at 5:30, but that goes only to the other side, except on Saturdays where it goes to Strömma Line, which is center Stockholm. But I think 45 minutes will be enough for this small island. There is nothing much actually that's going on, and I thought it's gonna be full with people, but it is completely empty. And yeah, I mean, you can also spend a full day here, and I can technically be here until 5:30 because it's nice indeed. But yeah, so just 25 minutes ride from Strömma Line, and you take actually Waxholmsbolaget boat, but the SL ticket, which is the public transport, it's applicable to this for this trip. And yeah, you have made these changes recently, that for all the trips towards Waxholm to Waxholm it is actually, and some of the other islands, is free. But if you need to go further out on the archipelago, it costs a bit more. Here we have some boats at Båtsamlingarna. It's a very small island. I'm only have gone through half of the island basically. So let me show you more of the island before I do the beach adventure. Apart from that Waxholms bottom, there is even a Strömma boat that goes here. There is the famous Fjäderholmarnas croak as well. And this is the famous restaurant that I won't have time to visit anyway, but let's just go around and see what we have. It looks nice. It looks nice indeed. So the time is 9:15, so now we have only 40 minutes left. So let's speed the process up and go around the whole island. This, I guess, it's filled a bit more later in the day. Here's a map of the whole island. Fjäderholmarna. And there are also other restaurants. This one is called Rökeriet. But I guess they open a bit later for lunch and dinner, I guess. Oh, there is Solklippona going this way, and this is the other boat that is hourly actually, and that it cost I think around 150 crowns, but then you can come every hour or so. And there are more restaurants here, and that is another island that's part of Fjäderholmarna on the other side. I don't think you can go there by transport, and we can see Lidingö as well. Here we are now at Stora Kajen, so this is the port on the other side of the island. I have walked for only like 5 minutes and I'm already on the other side. And the Yesham, which is the visitors port, it's 100 crowns per day or 300 crowns per night. And after we pass all these restaurants, I think we go into the forest now, which I kind of liked a bit more, towards Solklippona, and see how it is. I'm really looking forward to take a swim for sure, and not sure if I'm gonna have time to have swim both at the rocks and at the beach, but I'm gonna try, because now I have only 35 minutes left. Indeed. Okay, this is another restaurant and it's closed. It's closed. Okay, on the other side I think now there is no sun, so I'm gonna just go this way, speed up to the sunny rocks, which will be the end of the tour for now. And I will start the beach adventure, but this one looks amazing for sure. Lots of shade also here to escape the sun on a hot day as well. And I really love this place because it's far from the restaurant and you can enjoy with your own snacks that you brought. It looks so stunning indeed. I guess we're now at Solklippona, the sunny rocks. In less than 10 minutes we have circled around the whole island. Here we have also a very nice view of Stockholm as well, Norra Djurgården and stuff, but I think the best view is further down where I'm heading to now. Let me just let you enjoy the views. That's right. Find a way. It's beautiful, and nobody is here this early in the morning. I think that the tour starts a bit later for the restaurants. Here we can see the industrial area in Nacka as well, and beautiful. I can stay here basically all day long, actually, now that I think about it. It's so beautiful. Oh, there is also kind of a beach here. well, not an actual beach, but somewhat easier to get into the water. And to end up, this is Neptune Gaffel. Oh, there is a, okay, Trident of Neptune. I have seen that actually in Vendel earlier this week. And to end up, I think there are even more rocks that are closer to the port. Here's a tiny beach over here to take a swim as well. And I am back at the Stora Kajen, as it's called. Back at almost where I started. Circled around the whole island in less than 12 minutes. So, greetings from Fjäderholmarna, and now it's time to go in for a swim in the sea and enjoy a bit before I rush back to the ferry in half an hour, that is. Cheers! Ah.